This is the ORAIMO Powerjet. That is 130 watt ultra fast charge. I've already talked about the 60,000 milliampere power bank. That is the ORAIMO power bank. I mean, strong one. I've already talked about it right here on this platform, so you can also check that in the comment section or description. Check it there, the link is there, and then you will get to know more about this one. But now we are talking about the ORAIMO Powerjet, and one thing is that I will compare this to this in another video, so just stay tuned, like this video and subscribe, because more videos will come right here on this platform. I've been talking about ORAIMO products for some time right now, so you can check them out. I have this right here and a lot on the platform, so you can check them all out. But now we are going to talk about this. If you're new, just subscribe and let's talk about the ORAIMO Powerjet. This is a 130 watt fast charge. Boom, let's start it and let's go. So let's unbox by ripping this off first. Let's make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform, and then we go this way. Yes, so here we have nothing else, and inside it is the power bank itself. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, just like the video by taking a look at it. And in the box, what do we have again? Nothing else. Okay, from here nothing else, but let's get deep inside of it, and we have this. I'll get to that later. And we have this as well, and we have the manual. So let's get to the this and this and this. Okay, we have the manual right here. That's a welcome guide on how you can use the device, and this is your accessory. That is your USB-C cable, in and out, both USB-C. Then we have this bag to be carrying your power bank along anywhere that you are going, with ORAIMO labeled on it. One thing I've been saying about ORAIMO is they're always good at unboxing. So yes, they've done this again, and ORAIMO is nice. Okay, so let's get to the device itself right here by tearing this from here, from the top to the down, and we are through. Okay, so this is how it is like on the side, and you can see 130 watt and some labels right here, labeling right there. And then also we come to the front, the top of it. We have the A out, the C1 in and out, and then the C2. This is 100 watt USB in out. Okay, and this is 24 watt, and this is 30 watt. Now you can see when you tap one on this, on the button right here, it will show you the percentage of the power jet. Okay, that's the power jet, ORAIMO power jet. That is 27,600 mAh. Okay, so yes, that was this from here. This one, it doesn't come with any torchlight or something. Okay, yes, it doesn't come with anything, but when you double click on this, there is one feature that it activates, like a power saver or something. Yes, that's what I explained it in that way. They are saying this can charge a laptop. I have a laptop here, I will test for you, but these are some of the specifications. These are some of the things that you need to know about the device. You double click to turn it off. Okay, so this side, that's the digital display right here. So after using the device for some time, this is what I can say about the ORAIMO Powerjet. First is the battery is strong. Second is that it is very easy to carry around and take it along with you, comparing to the ORAIMO Power Box that is very heavy, that is hard to take it along to everywhere that you will go with you. This one is easy to carry compared to some of their devices. Okay, so one thing that I will be talking about is this device being able to charge laptop. How true is that? The answer to that question is it is very true with charging your device. I mean the laptop. Okay, with mine, it's able to charge the device 1 to 2 times. Okay, so it can charge it to 100% for the first charge, and then the second charge can go like 50% or close to 60. but it doesn't get to 60 or 70 or 80. Yes, so 1 to 2 times, that is the ORAIMO Powerjet that can power my laptop. Okay, so it's very good. This one of the device that I think if you can buy, you can purchase, okay, because of how the battery is. So you will be asking, so what about smartphones? What about iPhones? Okay, so I tested with my iPhone 16, and then it's able to charge it close to 7 times. Close to 7 times. That is for the iPhone 16. So you know the iPhone 16 battery comes with like 3,500 milliampere battery, and if this ORAIMO Powerjet is able to power it 6 to 7 times, then you can imagine with other ones. Okay, so that's what I experienced during the charge with the device. Okay, and what about Android? So with Android, I was using my Techno Camon 30 to charge it, and I got like 5 to 6 charge with just the ORAIMO Powerjet. That was cool. That was amazing. Okay, so it's just like I use this like most of the times, not because there is no electricity. Okay, I use it just because of the locations where I want to be using my device. Okay, sockets are on these walls and those places. So if you're not there to where the socket is, yes, you'll not be able to connect your smartphone to the power source. So using this, it was like, hey, I have my socket beside me. Okay, so it was cool. It was good. I like it with that one. So this is the charge time for the device. Okay, and one thing is that I'll be bringing you the difference between this one and then the ORAIMO Power Box. So most people want to know the difference between these two, so they want to choose between one. I'll be bringing you that differences in another video. So just make sure you like the video and subscribe for another video right here on this platform. So with a fast charge about the device, it was working very fine. Okay, and one question that most people ask is that, does the device heat? You see, this device comes with like cooling plate in this device. Okay, so it's hard for the device to heat because of the cooling system in the device. So yes, it heats though, but not to some extreme. It's just some small heating that you'll be experiencing, mostly at where we have the ports for charging, and then also where we have the digital display. That's where you will experience the heat, but it's not that much. It's not that much. That's the truth about the device. It is not that much. And with the digital display, I really enjoyed it because it was like I'm seeing the amount of current that is coming from the power bank to my laptop to my smartphone and then to these Android devices. Okay, because at some point you realize that the current has lowered to, let's say, 1 watt or 2 or 3 watts, because with iPhones at some point, let's say from 100 from 0% to 80%, you will notice that the device really draw more current, but when you get to 80 to 90, that's where we have the slow charge. So you will see it on the device like it's taking like 4 watts or 5 watts, and then it's cool. Looking at the laptop, you will see 45 watts, 50 something watts by displaying the amount of current that is drained from here to your laptop, and it was amazing. It was very fine. I haven't seen any issue with that one. So perfect. I will say perfect for the device. And now the charge time for the device, if you are charging the device, it can take you to let's say within 4 to 5 hours. The highest is like close to 5 hours. Okay, I didn't record 5 hours, but it was like within 4 hours to 5 hours. Let's say like 4 hours 15 minutes or 4 hours 30 minutes. So within that time frame, then the device will be fully charged for you to use it again. Okay, so I would say it's good. If you want to purchase, you can purchase. Check on the screen or the description and then get your link. The registration link to register, and also use the promo code OCTECH and enjoy some discount. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay alive and check my profile for more about ORAIMO devices. Bye for now.